DaVinci Hand Split Shake Siding Installation at Trim. All installations must incorporate the use of corner boards. Do not install in a laced or mitered corner installation. At vertical trim to siding junctures, inside and outside corners, doors, windows, and other trim attachments, shakes may be butted in light contact with trim. Or leave a 1/8 inch gap and seal with a high-quality exterior sealant. Approved sealants include high-quality, exterior-grade urethane, polyurethane, or silicone-based sealants which meet or exceed ASTM C920 requirements. The application of DaVinci Shakes builds 3 layers with a total minimum thickness of 1.5 inches. If using a 6-inch face exposure, these layers build a thickness of 1 5/8 inch. As such, a trim thickness of 1 3/4 to 2 inches is recommended. All trim must be of sufficient thickness to cover or cap the coarse ends. Multiple solid trim options are available. Wood trim products are available in 1.5 inch to 2 inch thicknesses. Fiber cement trim products are available in thicknesses of up to 1 1/4 inch. And cellular PVC trim products are available in 1.5 inch thicknesses. In order to meet the required thickness, a continuous solid shim build or a pack out behind the trim may be necessary. Flashing must be present at all horizontal trim with a 1/16 to 1/8 inch gap between the shake bottom edge and the flashing. Do not caulk this gap. Do not use raw aluminum flashings. Flashings must be galvanized, anodized, or PVC coated. Visit our installation video library for product and condition-specific installation guidelines.